it's your boy. And as y'all, no, hold on. Yo, man, it's your boy. Name 2 times. But as y'all see, I'm in the kitchen right now. And I'm finna be making me some noodles. You feel me? You feel me? Some beef flavored noodles, you feel me? Boom. With some eggs, bro. And I'm gonna be cooking these joints with y'all, bro. I don't like my noodles in this box, little thing, the cup. So, you know, I'm finna break these boxes down and put them in the bowl. So, you gotta grab them. I'm sure y'all alright, man. So, y'all can't see my face right now. Y'all can't really see my face. Ooh, it's a glare. Yeah, hold on. Hold up, man. Alright, try to get this glare out. Alright. Yeah, I mean, it's still a glare, but it ain't that bad. Wait. I don't know, really. I have to move the camera. Alright, man. It's still kind of glare, but I'm gonna be breaking the beef flavored noodles in a cup, and then I'm gonna be breaking these in a dotted cup. So I'm gonna still need my eggs though. So you feel me? I'm gonna break these joints open. Bro, shut up. Sorry, that's my dog. Never mind. It's just tweaking right now. I'm thinking it's gonna go out. So when I get these open, I'm gonna be right back with y'all boys, and I have the noodles in here. So. Alright, man. Hold on. Alright, man. So I finally got the noodles like inside the bowl. So I just start cracking them. So I'm finna be right back on y'all boys and these joints crack. Sorry for my dog. So bro, shut up, bro. I got the water inside the noodles. So, yeah. Alright, man. So y'all seen I just put the noodles in here. So I'm finna be right back with y'all boys when I'm finna start making the eggs. Yes, sir. So I got the eggs finally. So I'm gonna probably put these 6 in there. So I'm finna be right back with y'all boys when it's in there, and I gotta start stirring it. Alright, man. Alright, man. So you see I'm stirring. So I'm finna be making the pot and getting the butter and all that. Then I'm finna be pouring this in there. So yeah. Alright, man. So I'm finna be adding this butter inside the pot, and then I'm finna start putting the eggs in there. So let me add this inside the pot to show y'all boys. So I put the butter in the pot. So I'm finna start mixing the eggs to put them in here. Really don't know what I'm talking about, but you know, y'all cook, y'all, you know, making some eggs, you feel me? So yeah, whip this around, and I'm gonna put the eggs in here. Now I'm gonna check on my noodles. My noodles are already done, but I haven't brought them out. So I'm gonna keep whipping this around. So I think it's probably about time to put these little things in here. So I'm gonna put them in here. So I put that in here. So I'm gonna check on the noodles, see how they look, and they ain't in there. So I'm gonna put that in there, and then I'm finna start. So be right back on y'all boys when they start egging up, you feel me? Yeah, so I'm finished with the eggs. Now I'm finna have to bring. I'm gonna tell y'all what to use to make this. So I'm about to bring these noodles out, pour the water out, then I'm be right back with y'all boys. It's the next day, bro. I ain't wanna finish those videos. So it's the next day, so make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and turn post notifications if you want more videos and stuff like that. And yeah, bro, and it's 6 o'clock for me, so it might be like 7, 8 when you get this video. But make sure you like and subscribe and turn post notifications. It's a little quick video, so yeah.